back to the channel. Today we're looking at replacing the factory mirrors and antenna. Nothing fancy, just some updated exterior parts to help tidy up the Jeep's appearance. As of 2025, it is officially a quarter of a century old. The original antenna is a stiff metal antenna. Anytime you go off-road, it would smack the side of the Jeep. And as for the mirrors, you can see they're visibly disintegrating. The replacement parts we went with were a Rugged Ridge reflex antenna, which is a 9-inch stubby rubber antenna. It comes with adapters for attachment, easy screw-on replacement. And for the mirrors, we went with a pair of the standard TJ Rugged Ridge door mirrors from Extreme Terrain. Not exactly a factory match. It's a little bit of a sleeker mirror, more rounded, pretty light but heavy-duty plastic. I think it looks way cleaner than the originals. Side note, on the product page, there's a few reviews that show the mirrors I purchased as being the wrong size or fitting for the Jeeps the part is listed for. It's all with good intention, but if you look closely, they have the bracket facing the wrong way. The side the mirror is supposed to be on determines the bracket fitting correctly. If you put the wrong mirror on the wrong side, the bracket looks like it doesn't fit because it doesn't. It belongs on the other side. So the flat part of the bracket goes toward the hinge. And no hate to those reviews, just an update on the info. If you're just joining the journey or have been following since the beginning, let me know what you think of the upgrades so far and what upgrades you think I should do in the future. Hint for the next couple episodes, we're diving into some electrical projects. As always, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. Peace.